Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Welcome back to my bar for another Flocktails edition. And today we're going to make something called a whiskey spire. It's pretty interesting, pretty simple. It can be made with just about any whiskey you want to use. Most times they call for bourbon. In fact, Woodford is what's most commonly used in this drink. But I actually like a little bit different flavor profile. So we're going to use Traveler's Whiskey, and I'm going to call it the Traveling Spire. For this, you need a mixing glass, and you need a mixing spoon. You need a cocktail glass with a large ball or cube of ice like I've got, whiskey, lemonade, and some cranberry juice. You can use any cranberry juice you want. This is actually pure pressed cranberry. This isn't cranberry cocktail. This is just cranberry juice. It makes for a tartar drink overall. If you want that sweetness, you should use cranberry cocktail, like Ocean Spray. All right, real simple. We're going to start with the whiskey, and we're going to do 1.5 ounces of this. And again, if you have a whiskey you prefer, if there's a bourbon you want to use, whatever you like is fine. That just goes into the mixing glass. Then we're going to use 2 ounces of lemonade, whatever kind of lemonade you like. I'm using Milo's. And last but not least, 1 ounce of cranberry juice. All that goes in the mixing glass, and we're going to stir this and then pour it over our ice. Now, if you want to garnish this, you can garnish it with a lemon. Not that it needs it. That's all there is to it. And that is really good. Catch me on the next one. Have a great day. Eat and drink fabulous. If there's something you'd like me to make, let me know. Bill at kansasflamingochef.com.